Welcome to LATAM MedTech Insights. This week, we turn our attention to Chile, a market often praised for its stability. However, a significant regulatory shift is underway that many may have missed. The National Regulatory Authority, the Instituto de Salud Pública, or ISP, has quietly expanded its oversight through Exempt Decree No. 25. This is not a minor update. It represents a fundamental change in how certain medical devices are regulated in the country, catching many manufacturers off guard. The core of this change is about expanding control. Previously, many devices, particularly those in the lower to mid-risk categories, enjoyed a relatively straightforward path to the Chilean market. Exempt Decree No. 25 changes that. It brings a wider range of medtech products under the direct and active supervision of the ISP. This means new registration requirements, more detailed technical documentation submissions, and stricter post-market surveillance obligations. The decree is aimed at enhancing patient safety and aligning Chile more closely with global best practices for medical device regulation. Let's consider a real-world example. Imagine a European company that manufactures a series of diagnostic tools. For years, they have successfully sold their products in Chile with minimal regulatory friction. Suddenly, under Decree 25, their devices now require a full registration process that did not exist for them before. Their local distributor is not prepared for this. The company must now scramble to compile a technical dossier that meets the ISP's new, more stringent demands. This creates unexpected delays, increases costs, and puts their market presence at risk. It's a classic case of regulatory evolution creating immediate business challenges. This move by Chile is a clear indicator of a broader trend across Latin America. Countries are actively working to close regulatory gaps and elevate their standards. While this presents a hurdle, it also creates an opportunity. Companies that are prepared, those with robust quality management systems and proactive regulatory strategies, will find themselves at an advantage. A more regulated market is a more predictable and safer market, which can boost long-term investor and consumer confidence. The era of easy market access for certain devices in Chile is ending. It is being replaced by a system that demands diligence, preparation, and expert local knowledge. Navigating these evolving regulations requires expert guidance. For more insights on accessing the Chilean market or help with your global regulatory strategy, please email us or visit Pure Global online.